Let's see what's going on in the 3D printing lab today. Okay, we're drying some filament. Over here on the end there, we're printing a bridge for the gnome garden. That's going to take a couple days. PLA. Here on the Anet A8, another old machine, we're printing some Star Wars ATST walker kits. It's going pretty good. Right now the Anycubic is idle, and the Bambu is printing another meaningless Star Wars X-Wing fighter kit. I give these to people. They're a lot of fun. So that's what we're doing right now. Here we got a bag of pit droid kits in 2 color. Give those to people also.